What's up, sniffers? Got a few deliveries today. I'm going to open them up and show you what we've got. Let's get into it. First up, let me move these out of the way. Now we've got, obviously, something from Nike. Let's have a look. Alright. Yeah. This is a Air Jordan hoodie. And this came out about 2 weeks ago. Nice and neat. This is the Air Jordan wordmark one that just was released. Very nice. In my size. I'm keeping that one. That's for me. Next up, we've got a box here, direct. Let's see what's in here. All right. Now what we've got here is the Jordan 3 Red Cardinal. That is nice. Now this again is a brand new release. This came out a couple of weeks ago, straight from Nike. Now you probably saw the Super Bowl or saw some parts of the halftime show, and you might have noticed that Eminem was wearing a pair of threes, custom made just for the event. Some of the best marketing that Nike's ever done. And then follows up with these, which, you know, obviously are attainable, whereas you're never going to get a pair of those Slim Shadys, right? But these, you can pick these up right now. Pretty easy to get your hands on these, and they're not that dissimilar to these. But good luck if you can ever get a pair of those. It's a one of one. Anyway, that's the Cardinal 3s. Next up, we've got a box from, I think this is from StockX. This should be a pair that I didn't get when they came out, and I couldn't sleep on them. I had to get them. This is, in my size, a fresh pair of taupe hazes. Nice. Jordan 4 taupe haze, in my size. Very nice. Wanted these for a while, just saw them going up and up, had to jump on them, and they are really, really nice. Got this cracked leather here. It's actually really soft. I thought this was going to be a bit harder, but it's actually really, really nice and supple. And up top here as well. That is clean. Great looking pair of 4s. Absolutely love those. And that's everything for today. That's all 3 packages. If you like the video, smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, it does help me out. Thanks guys.